Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Russel Hobbs Adventure Glass Carafe Coffee Maker 24010-56. Oh yeah, adventure time baby. Now it's our turn to explore, and what better way to do it than with the Adventure Coffee Maker. Inspired by the shapes of legendary explorers, this coffee machine is the perfect combination of strong stainless steel and bold statement black. Always ready whenever we are, the Adventure Coffee Maker will help us kickstart our day and definitely cure our coffee cravings. Whenever we are taking a trip to a new place or starting our first day at a new job, there's no better way to start a new journey than with a good coffee in our hand. We have the wheel tag for maximum flavor, designed to dispense water in a whirling motion. This technology allows us to not only get a better temperature and a coffee extraction, but also a tasty flavor. So invite our fellow coffee connoisseurs round for a quick brew and enjoy great company and an even better flavor. And there is a 10 large cups, 1.25 liter, with an impressive 1.25 liter glass carafe. The Adventure Coffee Machine can make up to an impressive 10 large cups of coffee whenever we've got our friends around for a coffee morning, or we have pulled the short straw of having to do the morning coffee run for the family. There's no relaxation this coffee machine can handle. Great tasting coffee, integrated coffee spoon, and a wilted brewing technology. That's really cool. This is the awesome Adventure Glass Carafe Coffee Maker. Russel Hobbs is a British manufacturer of household appliance. Formed in 1952 by William Russell and Peter Hobbs, it became the primary kettle maker in the United Kingdom marketplace in the 1960s. Subjected to many corporation acquisitions through its history, its head office is currently sited in Failsworth, England, but it no longer manufactures its products in the UK, having moved its manufacturing operation to East Asia. But not only bad, of course, because there comes the good stuff here. And it's really easy to perform with this. We remove the carafe for the hot plate. We open the lid. We fill the reservoir with the extra amount of water required. We do not overfill the reservoir. We open up a number 4 paper filter and put it into the filter holder. We put 1 scoop of delicious filter ground coffee into the filter for each large cup. We close the lid, we will place the carafe on the hot plate. And then it's time to making some awesome coffee. We put the plug into the power socket. We press the I/O button. The light will come on. We shortly afterwards, the coffee will start to drip into the carafe. When it's done, the hot plate will keep the carafe warm. After 40 minutes, the hot plate will shut down automatically. About 40 minutes after brewing finished, the plate will shut down automatically. That means you are safe with it, okay? If you've forgotten it, it's not a big thing. But we have to press the I/O button to switch it off. We unplug and let the appliance and the carafe cool down fully before cleaning, or for about 10 minutes before rough filling. After about 40 minutes, chemical changes will affect the taste of the coffee. So maybe look that you enjoy your coffee in that 40 minutes. And you can make a quick cup. You can remove the carafe at any time. To prevent the filter holding overflowing, we replace the carafe on the hot plate within about 20 seconds. And this, I think, is a really good thing what Russel Hobbs built in that coffee making machine. You can make a quick cup. That's really cool. Really, really cool. I like it really much because it is a standard coffee machine, and It's real, it's nice, it's good. This is the Russel Hobbs 2401056 coffee machine, and this is the adventure version in black. Regardless of whatever we are going to, a trip to a new place or starting the first day in a new job, there's no better way to start a new journey than with a cup of our favorite coffee in our hands, including a spoon that measures the right amount of 1 cup of coffee, water level indicator, and it brews up to 10 large cups of coffee if you like that, or less, of course. The function maintain and heat for 40 minutes, eliminate switch is included. It's really awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.